back to my YouTube channel. Titian J here. I just wanted to do like a quick golden eyes look using only drugstore products, you guys. I'm only using drugstore products. I got this look using drugstore products. So if you guys are interested in how I achieve this look, just keep on watching.
What's up, you guys? So I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I'm going to put that all over the places I would like to hide my pores. And y'all about to see how I'm about to finesse this look with this primer. This primer is so bomb, y'all. Y'all need to go pick it up. And it's very inexpensive. And right there, I'm using the LA Colors eyebrow pencil in dark brown. That eyebrow pencil was all right, but it did what it needed to do. I got a good's worth of it. Now, y'all already know I'm finna use my Good Girl Charlotte Tilbury on the brows. And right there, that's the NYX eyeshadow base. That's a white glittery one. And I put that all over my lid. I then had to just use my fingers, honestly, you guys, because that brush was pissing me off. All right, now I'm going to use the ColourPop California Love palette. This palette is pretty good. Like, if you're looking for some neutrals with some glitter, definitely go and pick that palette up. I used some dark browns and some sienna browns, dirt browns, and some glittery shades. It's quick and easy, you guys. Just crease, a little bit on the lid, and then a glittery shade. Now, I picked up those lash glues at a beauty supply store, which is pretty much under like $8. And those lashes I picked up, I got it for maybe like $10, also at the beauty supply store. Now I'm just adding some more glitter and putting it, you know, what they be calling that area. Whatever, I just put some lashes on, you know, I just put it in the inner corner, there we go, and add some lashes. Now I'm gonna put some mascara on. That's the Maybelline Sky High, and just to, you know, combine it all together. Now, y'all already pretty much know my face routines, and I'm just gonna add some color correction. I'm going to put my foundation on and conceal. You guys already seen this in all my videos, so. Can y'all believe I'm contouring my nose? I never contour my nose, but I'm using the LA Pro Conceal Mahogany. That I believe that's the darkest shade. So I made that little, you know, geometric stuff, and I'm gonna blend it out. And that's the Airspun powder, you guys. You can actually pick that up at Walmart, and it's very inexpensive. And I'm just gonna put that wherever I concealed and just dust it right off. So that is the Fit Me powder in the color 360, and I just dusted that everywhere on my face. Oh my god, you don't even see the writing on that blush, but that's the NYX blush, you guys. Oh my gosh. But yes, now I'm gonna just smoke out the lower lash line to finish off the look. And right there, that's just the Milani Make It Last. That is very, very matte, y'all, and y'all will love it if you're an oily skin girl like me. Now that's just the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight. That's the golden shade, and I just put that all over my high points on my face. I'm doing a light hand just because I want to build it up. Now that's the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in the pinky shade. I'm gonna have all of the details listed in the description box of everything that I use with the exact names. So just bear with me, guys.
I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I just put y'all on how to achieve this look only using drugstore products, you guys. Don't forget to like and comment down below on your favorite products out of this video. And also make sure you guys are subscribing. Y'all see that subscribe button down there? I know y'all see it. If you guys like my looks, you guys like me, then just hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, you guys. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video. Titian J out. Bye.